It's a very, very, very exciting time for space with Virgin Galactic, with what Elon's doing, with what Jeff Bezos is doing, with what Boeing are doing. And the investment community are beginning to take a lot of interest in it and are beginning to do analyst reports on the space industry. And obviously we believe that it will be one of the big new industries.
This thing looks like a software business under the hood, even though it's flying people to space. So this is, I think, actually a really compelling risk reward. I mean, even taking a general step back, I think I've had a really good track record right now of being a little bit ahead of some big trends, whether it was the transition to Amazon, whether it was backing Bitcoin, things like Slack. And what I'll tell you is I generally don't put my own principal capital on the table unless I think there's a really compelling risk reward, and I'm doing that here. What Richard's team has built are technologies that eventually can be used in a hypersonic airplane. So what does that mean? That means if you're used to a 10-hour flight from Los Angeles to Tokyo or Los Angeles to Beijing, that becomes less than 2 hours. Now that alone, if you look at the ticketing revenue for that in the airlines, that's $300 billion of revenue that should vaporize, because why would you not travel through a Virgin experience that's basically 1/5 the time? Right now, I have not seen a batch of really compelling companies go public until right now. Like, it's really quite amazing. Whether it's Virgin or whether it's Slack or just a bunch of these companies, it's really, really, really interesting point in time in the cycle where entrepreneurs are creating a lot of value.